Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your VCAP. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings and come to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. When you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Just switch into open video, then you go down here and you come here to who can contact me. Just click on down, just go down here. You come here to who can connect directly to me in calls. Click on it here. So when you click on it, then here in this list can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,